Oh wait, this is YouTube? I'm on YouTube. I'm on Spencer Lee's channel. Go check out my channel. It's cars. I want you to please subscribe to my channel as well. Don't you forget it. Okay. See my pretty teeth? Yeah. Hey, buddy. Mater, I was just telling the folks that we're on YouTube right now. You see all the lights we're getting? You see right there. You see all the lights we're getting? Yeah, where's the lights? Yeah, we're on Spencer Lee's channel again. Yeah, he says that that we're gonna introduce another characters. Wait, there's Mike and Silly. Let's go say hi. Hi, Mike. Hey, Silly. Hi, Mike. Hey, Sully. Hey, what's up, you two? What's up, my bros? What's up? Yeah, what's up? What are you talking about? What's up with us? What's up with you guys? Nothing. We were just having something time with being on Spencer Lee's channel. See, on Spencer Lee's channel. Dunk. Yep, I'm on Spencer Lee's channel too. Third channel, that is. And we got some 4 friends we would like you to meet. Okay, who are they? Mater, McQueen, this is joy. One of the emotions inside everyone's head. Ed. Oh, keep on. Why do I keep on falling? Hi guys, what's up? I'm Joy, and you are. You already know my name, Joy. It's Sully. Oh yeah, right. You two are. I'm Mater. What's up, Joy? I'm Lightning McQueen. What's up, Joy? Yeah, Joy was just helping us introduce our next friend. Guys, this is Anger. Anger. Yes, I am angry. Why are you angry? Let's see how angry you get. Okay, you're crazy. I'm on Spencer Lee's channel? Oh, that's awesome. I'm just kidding, you're not crazy. You just gotta check out our other 2 friends, which are both females. Spencer Lee's sister-in-law and Spencer Lee's girlfriend. Guys, this is Anna and Elsa. Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up? Yeah, what's up? What's up? What's up? Well, I just been Spencer Lee's girlfriend since we first met. I love this boy like 1,000 times better than stupid Jack Frost. That's a message to every single Google person on Google. Thank God I'm on his channel. Yeah, I'm with you that, sis. But you two are from the movie Frozen. And we're from the movie Cars. And we are from the movie Frozen. We're from the movie Inside Out. And we're from the franchise of Monsters, Inc. Thank you for watching this video. And please, no. Please, don't end the video yet. 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 Sorry, guys. Before Spencer Lee's phone dies out, we got in the video. We'll have another video of us All 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All 8 of us. Another video of all 8 of us coming soon. Please like, comment, subscribe. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Look at the eye. Look at the eye. Look at the eye. Look at the eye.